Okay, I'm back. I'm back with the last video of the meal prep for the stuffed peppers. So you can see that our quick cooker cooked our rice, and you can see how nice and fluffy it is. I'm just going to just sort of pour it down inside there. And then stir it around. Put this over in the sink. And while that is filling up, I'm going to just stir this around again so that it's nice and mixed. And you can see that I have a lot more than what I really need for just the two of us. And I could either make several right now, or I can just keep them and freeze the mixture and use it later, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my little deep covered baker, mini deep covered baker, to put this in. It's really a great thing to have because it really does bake really good. I love baking my banana bread in it. But now I'm going to bake my two. I'm going to put a little bit of oil because it's not as seasoned as I would like it, but I'm just going to rub a little bit of oil on the bottom so that when I actually do stick this in, I'm going to cook this in the microwave when I actually cook it this week. And I will come back in and show you and tell you how it is. So I'm going to put my two peppers in. You can see if you can see. So here's my two peppers in my deep covered mini deep covered baker. And I'm just stuffing it down in here. And I had extra cheese that I've already put away into the refrigerator, but that extra shredded cheese is going to go on the top of it before or after I cook it a few minutes. For about 20 minutes probably. I'll put it in for the last 10 minutes with the cheese on top so it can get nice and melty and brown. And I dropped a little bit down in there, so I'm going to take that out. Put that back on top. And so here you go. Let me bring you closer. You've got one red and one green just to make the color nice and pretty. And what I will do is I will stick it in the microwave this week when I get home. I think I'm going to do this maybe tomorrow night because I'm going to be gone all day tomorrow. Come back, put this in the microwave, and have us a nice stuffed pepper meal in our mini deep covered baker. And that's what I love about this is I can actually put it in the microwave, and the food is just really good coming out of it because of the stoneware, and you can do that with this particular dish. So I will see you back in here again with the finished product this week when I actually make it in the oven. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.